Next one. Uns.
What number is that?
11.
Yeah, you got it.
Right next to it. They're sharks.
Uns.
You got all the drums, right? Oh yeah. Okay. For later. Next.
Dos. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, dos.
Next one.
Três.
Tareis.
Três.
13. Tareis. Just remember Tracy.
Yeah.
Just break it down. Tareis. Yeah, sometimes you associate the words and you don't remember it.
Três. 14.
That's like Spanish.
It sounds like
Spanish. 14.
Yeah, 14.
You're very sharp. And you see, you don't even have an accent. When you say 14, it sounded like you spoke Spanish. And that's the difference is going to make you more able to learn other languages. Spanish and everything.
15. Yeah. 15.
Feel free to read it. You could read the next one. We don't have to wait for the Arufu Tahat.
Yeah. 15. This is, yeah, that's the one. This is.
Disease. Like disease, right? Disease. Just remember the last syllable that you glide through. Disease. Next one.
Disset.
17.
Disset.
But if you say this is 7, people are going to understand.
If you become more familiar with the language, you get that.
And this is adding 10 and 8. Remember, we and this is 10. So instead of 10 and 8, it's 18. Easy way.
This is. This is never.
This is 19. When number 20 is totally different now.
That's it. When.
20. We're going to go fast now. We're going to go 1 through 20 all together, right? We just follow. I will say it and we'll repeat.
Abba.
Abba.
Yam.
Yam. Uru.
David.
David.
Sing.
Sing.
Sis.
Sis.
Sed.
Sed.
Nev. Nev.
Nef.
Lis.
Lis.
Uns.
Dus.
Dos. Três.
Três.
14.
15.
This is.
I already did.
This said.
No.
This is real. This is Nev. When. Let's do it one more time.
Okay.
Abba.
Abba.
Yam.
Miam.
Uru. Gado.
Gado.
Sing.
Sing.
Sis.
Sis.
Sed.
Hey.
Read.
Wait.
Nef.
Nef.
This.